business. Let's see, we have a proclamation designating April 4 through 10, 2022 as National Public Health Week, and I get to read this. So here we go. This is a proclamation of the El Paso County Board of Health recognizing National Public Health Week 2022. Whereas the theme for National Public Health Week 2022 is Public Health is Where You Are, and whereas where residents live, work, learn, play, and worship impacts community and individual health, and whereas the top priority of the Board of Health is to make our communities safer, healthier, and stronger, and whereas the mission of El Paso County Public Health is to promote and protect public health and environmental quality across El Paso County through people, prevention, and partnerships. And whereas the vision of El Paso County Public Health is for all El Paso County all El Paso County residents to live in thriving communities where every person has the opportunity to achieve optimal health. And whereas El Paso County Public Health continues to meet the needs of community by forging innovative partnerships and strategies to work upstream to improve health outcomes. And whereas El Paso County Public Health is committed to working with partners across El Paso County to improve community health in numerous priority areas, including mental health, substance use, eating healthy, and active living. And whereas it is more important than ever to celebrate public health, support, and advance the mission of public health, and continue to acknowledge and appreciate El Paso County Public Health staff for their work and dedication to keep our communities healthy. So the resolution is to proclaim the week of April 4 through 10, 2022 as National Public Health Week. And we get to vote on this. So is there a motion to approve?
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Great. Passed unanimously. So this moved, seconded, and adopted by the El Paso County Board of Health at its meeting held on March 23rd, 2022 in Colorado Springs. Thank you.
If it's okay, I'd just like to say a couple of things about National Public Health Week or public health. That's okay. So I wanted to thank Mr. Donaldson for sponsoring or promoting our public health recognition yesterday at City Council. And we were able to have a few of our team members there to highlight other aspects of what is important to local public health in El Paso County, the size that we are. And so I just wanted to mention that we had our Community Health Division Director there, Heather Graves, and you see her in the audience. And we have we had our immunization and travel clinic, a couple of public health nurses there. We had our Environmental Health Division recognized, Kat McGarvey, who is over our water quality, and we do a lot of on-site wastewater inspections and approval of those systems to protect our groundwater. And then we also had Lisa Gable, who you don't often see, but she is our program manager of our Vital Statistics Office, which is in charge of birth and death certificates. And we also highlighted the Office of Communication and the good work that our staff do, our public health information officer in those arenas as well. COVID has been, dominating our work for the past couple of years, but I did want to emphasize that there's so much more that public health is responsible for and that we do. So I just appreciate Mr. Donaldson and sponsoring that resolution. And I know that we have the President, Tom Strand, I believe, in the audience. And I just wanted to say that, across the board at City Council, the elected officials were very supportive and appreciative and had a lot of positive comments for our staff. And I really wanted to emphasize that they see our staff, they recognize our staff, they appreciate our staff, and I want our team to really take that in because your efforts do not go unrecognized. And, you it might not make the news, the great work that you all are doing, but know that the community supports you, and knows that the work that you are doing are valuable. I think that that's what Public Health Week is all about, is that, it's where we are, where you live, where you work, where you play, where you worship. And it's in all of our lives. I mean, it's from the food we eat to the air we breathe to so much that we're responsible for, and so dedicated, unrelenting, and working tirelessly to protect and promote public health and environmental quality in the community. So I really want our staff to take that in. The City of Fountain has already recognized Public Health Week. City of Colorado Springs has recognized Public Health Week. The county commissioners are going to recognize Public Health Week. And Michelle, help me, or Commissioners Gonzalez and Bremer, I think it's April 5th. And so looking forward to that. Last time we were there, it was a lot of fun because everyone was holding up, thank you public health signs, and just have a lot of support, and you all do good work. So thank you so much. And Board of Health, thank you for all of your support as well, because you're our leadership, and we greatly appreciate you all as well.